We are truly invested in every roof we build.
Keep it moving, guys.
Our focus is quality and doing the best for our customer. Hi, my name is Anthony Hong, founder of ARCM Roofing. We provide the best roofs in the Denver metro area. I started
the roof for your home, your business, even industrial.
We offer a wide variety of services, from roof repairs to building an entire roof from scratch.
I'm Carla Schrock, and I had my roof replaced by ARCM Roofing. Anthony from ARCM came out to my house and went up with my agent, and they looked at the roof.
And we do see some hail damage.
They understand the insurance industry, so they're not leading their customers into a bad direction where they end up paying the bill.
We are all about customer service. I make sure a project manager is on every job. We come out to your home, we inspect your property and the roof. If it's a second-story home, we use drones to get video. I use drones so the customer can see their roof without getting up on the roof. We also offer painting as well as gutter replacement. Anything we can do to enhance your roof or protect your home.
Before I met Anthony with ARCM, I had spoken to like 10 different roofers. I was determined I was not going to get a roofer until I got this ice and water shield. Anthony drives up. Oh, he says, it's really needed, and he was very knowledgeable. We decided right there and then that he was going to do our roof.
The ice and water shield is this. It's a gritty material with a very sticky back. It is a waterproofing, innovative product that's new, and we use a lot of it. Some of the cities require it, some don't. We always use it.
I think what makes us stand out is our commitment to excellence. We upgrade every roof with a Class 4 Hail Resistant Shingle to save you up to 28% on your homeowner's insurance.
All my sisters and my sister-in-law and my cousins used ARCM.
If you want a roofer, you look at ARCM. That's the only one that'll do my roofing for me.
Whatever your roofing needs, just let us handle it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Call ARCM Roofing for a free, no obligation estimate.